Hello, this is Rocio Hinojosa, and the product that I choose is Dairy Milk Whole Nut Chocolate in a bar. This is a product from Cadbury, a Mondelez brand. And, well, basically, this is made with milk chocolate and hazelnuts. And I'm going to explain a little bit how this is made and the functionality of the ingredients. Well, first of all, the milk is used for the dairy and the dairy taste that makes the difference between a dark chocolate and milk chocolate. But the two main ingredients for any kind of chocolate it's cocoa mass and cocoa butter. These two ingredients are obtained from the cocoa beans. These cocoa beans are extracted from big cocoa pods that are previously fermented, and then these beans are roasted. These two processes are very important in the production of a chocolate because they help to have the smell and the smell and the taste of the characteristic of chocolate in the cocoa. Okay, well, the cocoa butter, as we mentioned, it's collected from the cocoa beans, but this is contained inside small pockets in a rigid structure of the cocoa beans. So the cocoa beans has to be grinded in order to make kind of nibs and break these walls. After that, the nibs are heated in order to melt the cocoa butter, and then it's pressed so the liquid butter can flows out. Okay, the remaining solids are then grounded further in order to obtain the cocoa powder. This is basically how come we obtain the cocoa powder and the cocoa butter. After this, well, there's another ingredient that is very important, is the vegetable fat. This is added in order to complement the cocoa butter, because a good chocolate normally will need a minimum of 30% of content of total fat content. This is to cover all the solids. In this case, we have the cocoa powder as a solid, but we also have the sugar added. We need to add sugar to provide sweetness to the chocolate and to decrease the bitter in the cocoa that the cocoa has itself. So we need to cover these solids with the butter, but if we do it only with cocoa butter, it will be a very expensive product. So in order to make it a little bit cheaper, we use the vegetable fat, and with this we achieve the continuous matrix that we need and the texture decided. Okay. Also, to prevent the solids particles to sticking to each other, we add emulsifiers. The most common emulsifier used is soy lecithin. This soy lecithin has the characteristic of having one end that is likely to achieve two solids, and the other end is likely to achieve to sticks to the liquids. So in this case, the soy lecithin surrounds all the solid particles, preventing the solids to stick from each other. Okay, and finally, the another ingredient that is added is flavors. Sometimes they could add vanilla flavor or almond flavor, it depends on the chocolate. And well, in this case, the hazelnuts. And this is basically how the milk chocolate is done. Thanks for watching.